Malacanang urges residents in areas in the path of powerful Typhoon Yolanda to heed the advice of authorities and move out of danger zones. Communications Secretary Sonny Coloma said residents should learn from the experience of victims of Typhoon Sendong and Pablo who ignored the warning signals. He also said government agencies have been tasked by President Aquino to ensure the readiness of local government units and provinces that will be hit by Yolanda. More from Rocky Ignacio.
The government has intensified measures to mitigate the effect of Super Typhoon Yolanda. Communications Secretary Sonny Coloma said President Aquino allotted 220 million pesos relief assistance in areas to be affected by the cyclone.
Nagbigay na po ng direktiba ang Pangulo sa DSWD, DOH, DPWH, DepEd at sa mga lokal na pamahalaan tungkol sa dapat nilang isagawang hakbang bilang paghahanda sa bagyo. The DSWD in Region 8 has prepositioned emergency relief resources amounting to 195 million pesos consisting of stands 36.97 million, 84,965 family food packs, 21.84 million, other food supplies and non-food items 136.45 million. In addition to this, it has additional standby funds amounting to 25 million.
Malacanang called anew on residents in high-risk areas to heed orders from them to evacuate to safer ground. About 40 areas have been placed under storm signal when Yolanda entered the Philippine Area of Responsibility early morning today.
Nananawagan po tayo sa ating mga kababayan na agarang sundin ang mga babala at makiisa sa mga hakbang na pinapatupad ng mga ahensya ng pamahalaan sa pangunguna ng NDRRMC sa mga naninirahan sa mga lugar kung saan nagpapatupad ng preemptive evacuation. Huwag na po sana nating hintayin na nakaamba na ang malaking panganib bago tayo kumilos. Ang pagpapaliban ng paglisan mula sa mga mababang lugar ay maaaring magpahamak sa mga mamamayan at makaantala sa mga tumutulong na kawani ng pamahalaan at citizen volunteers.
President Aquino asks people to cooperate to avoid human casualties and minimize damage to properties during calamity. Coloma said the government is now equipped with modern technology under Project NOAA or National Operational Assessment of Hazards. Warning devices have been installed to 18 major river systems to immediately alert residents against flash floods.
At over the past 3 years, there's been a very substantial upgrade and modernization of our meteorological forecasting equipment and capability. At yun nga pong Project NOAA at yung upgrading ng equipment ay nabanggit din ng ating Pangulo na isa sa mga proyektong funded out of the Disbursement Acceleration Program. At sa ganitong pagturing, nakatulong po ito sa pagligtas ng mga buhay.
Coloma believed that the public as well as the local government units are more prepared this time. The palace official said that the government has learned from the effect of past typhoons like Pablo and Sendong.
Batay po sa mga naging karanasan na natin, tumataas po o bumibilis yung ating learning curve na tinatawag. At umaasa tayo na ngayon ay higit ang ating mga government agencies at ang ating mga local disaster risk reduction and management councils. At tumaasa din po tayo na makikiisa ang ating mga mamamayan sa paghahanda at sa pag-iwas sa panganib.
For the People's Television, Rocky Ignacio.